peaceful countryside of the Charente, just north of Angoulême, life moves at a gentler pace. Here, near the charming village of Villefagnan, the landscape is a patchwork of fields, sunflowers, and quiet stone hamlets, the perfect setting for this superb Charentaise farmhouse. Full of traditional charm, yet wonderfully spacious, this four-bedroom home captures the timeless character of the region. Set on more than a hectare of land, it offers privacy, tranquility, and a sense of true rural living, all just a short drive from shops, cafes and restaurants in Villefagnan and the larger market town of Ruffec. Step inside, and you're greeted by warmth and character. The ground floor opens into a generous living and dining room centered around a beautiful stone fireplace, the heart of the home. The adjoining kitchen is bright and well-equipped, offering plenty of space for cooking and gathering with family. 2 comfortable bedrooms and a bathroom complete this level, making it ideal for single-level living. Upstairs, the charm continues. 2 further bedrooms, a shower room, and a separate WC provide space for family or guests, while the lovely attic area offers endless potential, perfect for conversion or simply as generous storage. Throughout, you'll find original features such as exposed beams and wooden floors that speak to the home's history. Outside, the setting is simply idyllic. Expansive gardens surround the property, including an orchard, a vegetable garden, and open fields, more than a hectare to explore. Numerous outbuildings, a workshop, and 2 garages add both practicality and exciting scope for future projects. Combining history, space, and authentic rural beauty, this Charentaise farmhouse is a rare find, a place to slow down, reconnect, and enjoy the very best of life in Poitou-Charentes. Just a few minutes from the vibrant Bastide town of Eymet, this beautifully renovated stone townhouse captures the essence of Dordogne living, where traditional French charm meets contemporary elegance. Set in a peaceful village surrounded by rolling countryside, this home is perfectly placed to enjoy the best of both worlds, the tranquility of rural Aquitaine and the lively atmosphere of Eymet's cafes, markets, and summer night events. Step inside and you'll find a space that feels instantly inviting, filled with light, warmth, and character. Every detail has been thoughtfully considered, with the renovation carried out by a renowned local architect. Fully fitted kitchen and dining area opens onto a stylish utility room and guest WC, while the adjoining living room offers a calm, elegant retreat. French doors on both sides fill the room with sunshine and connect the indoors to 2 delightful outdoor spaces, a private walled garden and a rear terrace, perfect for morning coffee or evening drinks. Upstairs, the sense of refinement continues. The master suite features a spacious shower room and direct access to the wraparound balcony, a sun-drenched terrace ideal for lounging or entertaining. A second bedroom, also with its own shower room and terrace access, provides comfort and privacy for guests. Every element here has been finished to an exceptional standard, from sleek aluminium shutters to the soft natural tones that create a timeless, relaxed atmosphere. Whether as a full-time residence or a lock-up-and-leave holiday home, this charming Dordogne townhouse offers effortless living and pure French allure. Nestled in the rolling countryside of the Creuse, in the peaceful commune of St-Priest-la-Plaine, this exceptional high-specification barn conversion perfectly combines rustic French charm with contemporary luxury. Originally part of a neighboring property, this former barn was lovingly transformed by its owners. What began as a high-end gîte project soon became their dream home, inspired by the breathtaking views that stretch across the surrounding landscape. From the moment you step inside, the sense of space and craftsmanship is unmistakable. The grand double-height entrance hall sets the tone, light-filled, elegant, and versatile, with room for a stylish home office or reading corner. The open-plan living, dining, and kitchen area is the heart of the home, beautifully finished, with underfloor heating and panoramic windows that perfectly frame the idyllic rural views. It's a space designed for both everyday comfort and relaxed entertaining, connecting seamlessly to the gardens that wrap around the property. Upstairs, the attention to detail continues. A generous landing leads to a luxurious master suite with its own private shower room, alongside 2 further large bedrooms and a family bathroom. Each space has been thoughtfully designed to make the most of the light and the scenery beyond. Outside, the lifestyle offering is just as impressive. A heated in-ground swimming pool invites long summer afternoons spent with family and friends, while attached barns and a workshop provide scope for hobbies, creative projects, or further development. Peaceful yet connected, the home sits within easy reach of local villages and just a short drive from La Souterraine, a charming market town with shops, restaurants, and direct train links to Paris, Limoges, and Toulouse. A property of rare quality, offering style, tranquility, and the true essence of French country living. To view more properties like this across France, visit forzelfrance.com.